In this trade of the month video, I'm going to show you two trades we did last month: the US dollar Canadian, the USD CAD, as well as the US stock Micron Technologies. The symbol is MU. So if we look at the USD Canadian, this is a 1 hour chart. We had a buy signal here on the 9th of October at 1.3983 as the price broke out of a large broadening formation. First target was 140.00 and the second target was 1.4030. The first target was hit later that day. The next target was hit a few days later. The first target achieved 17 pips and the second target 47 pips. So overall, it was an average of 32 pips profit, which just took a couple of days. The next trade was Micron Technologies, symbol MU. This is one of the big tech stocks in America. And the entry was on the 23rd of October at $2.10, right here on this nice bullish reversal candle in an uptrend. The first target was 215.70, the second target was 220, and the stop, this red line at 198.30. Let's see how this trade panned out. So it hit the first target the next day at 215.70, and the second target at 220 was reached the day after that. The first target was 5% away, and the second target was 7.2% away. So the average profit was 6.1% in a 2-day trade. These trades are sent out free. If you'd like more info about how to receive them, feel free to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.